Hey guys, so you're here because you messed up on the affect versus effect, and that's okay. This is a common problem in a lot of people's writing. We see it all the time. But did you know that our friend, Edgar Allan Poe, the Raven, can help us remember which one to use when? It's true. This guy's going to help you. So I'm going to put him up on my desk so that you remember. I'll show you how he's going to help you in just a minute. But first, let's talk about when you use each one. So affect versus effect. Affect is always used when you are talking about a verb, when you're using it as a verb, sorry. So this one is always a verb. It's an action. The movie really affected me. It really made me feel. It's a verb. Effect is a noun. It's a result or a consequence. This one's a noun. This one's a verb. Okay, so let's look at a couple of sentences. The affect is always a verb. Effect is always a noun. Okay? There is an exception to that rule, but I'll talk about that in just a minute. For the most part, right now, what you need to know is affect, verb, effect, noun. So here we go. I'm grounded from my phone. A sad effect or affect of talking back. Well, is it a thing? Here's an easy way to find out. If you can replace the word affect or effect with the word result, then what you're looking for is the E. That's a noun. So I'm grounded from my phone, a sad result of talking back. That works. So it should be effect. Try not to let other people's opinions effect or affect your attitude. Here, can I replace it with the word result? And does it make sense? Let's check it out. Try not to let other people's opinions result your attitude. That doesn't quite make sense. That's because here it's being used as a verb. So you need the affect. And then finally, do you know the effect or affect of mixing vinegar and baking soda? That's always a fun volcano experiment. Here, do you know the result of mixing vinegar and baking soda? Oh, that works. Must be the E. So you circle that one. Now here's how to remember which is which. We have a mnemonic device, and it is, let me get a different color for you. Raven, R-A-V-E-N. So you can think of our Raven, Mr. Poe, that I showed you a minute ago, or you can think of Raven Burge. So here we go. This is how you, R stands for remember, affect, with an A, equals verb. Effect with an E equals a noun. Boom. So that is how our friend here, Mr. Poe, can help us remember that affect is used as a verb, effect is used as a noun. Okay? And when in doubt, try to replace it with the word result. If effect works with that, then that's what you, or I'm sorry, if it works with the word result, then effect is what you need there. Now let me show you the exception to the rule. Because in English, there's always an exception to the rule, isn't there? Oops. The only time that effect can actually be a verb is when you use the phrase effect change. To effect change. It means to bring about change. And that is the only time that effect is used as a verb. But you're not going to see that very often. Most of the time, effect is only going to be a noun. The only time it's a verb is if it's followed by the word change. To effect change, to bring about change. Okay? All right. Try it out on your worksheets. And if you have any questions, please ask me or Mrs. Shetner. Thanks, guys.